So I'm just going to do a bit of a demonstration on how to use the basic features in iMovie. So you can find it in the App Store, but if you've got a desktop, I'm using a Mac desktop, it comes already installed. So I just click on the applications folder, which is down here, and it's already installed right here. So we'll go ahead and click on that. We are going to create a new movie. So the first thing that we'll have to do is obviously import some media to use. So I've got some stuff on my desktop here, just some photos and things from our last trip to Fiji. So I'm going to use some of those. So we'll import some of those. Okay. That's a picture of my grandparents when they got married in the 40s. Which I didn't mean to put in there, but we obviously won't be using that today. We'll start with this one. So we'll just click on it and drag it down here. So whatever we drag down here is going to play in the movie. Now I filmed this on an iPhone, so obviously it's all going to have to be cropped. Everything that's filmed on an iPhone is going to have to be cropped. So we'll just go ahead and crop that. There we go. Yeah, that looks much better. Might just drag this one down. So that's a picture of my daughter and I. And that's a picture of my wife and I. So I think what we'll do is add a title to the start of the video. We'll just pick this one here. So we're just going to do the same thing. We're going to drag it down to where we would like it to appear, and then we'll go over here and we'll type what we want it to say. So we'll go TPP 102 task 3. There it is. We might just put another one, just this one, that one will do. Bring that one down here, and we'll just give the video a title as well. So we'll call it Fiji Family Holiday. All right. And you can see already it's starting to come together. Okay, so the next thing we'll do is we'll go back to media, we'll start adding some videos. Let's get to the good stuff. Alright, same thing, it's going to have to be cropped. So come over here. Crop that, crop to fill. Great, and it's got a lot of background noise. I don't know if you can hear it on this video, but I'm going to turn off the background noise. I'll get another one down here. So this is my friend Craig paddling out to a spot called Frigates where we surf when we go to Fiji. And it's quite a way off the reef, off the mainland, or out on a reef. So usually when we get out there, we've got it to ourselves, which is great. So I'm going to crop that as well. Yep. There we go. That's much better. And same thing. It's got a lot of background noise, this video, so I'm going to turn the background noise down. Some more waves here from the same spot. It's going to have to be cropped as well. So we'll crop that. And we'll turn the background noise down. Okay. So I'll add some music in instead of listening to background noise. So there is some music already stored on there, some basic kind of elevator sounding music from Apple, but I did put this one on here earlier. And we can just drop this down at the start, drag it down. We want it to start playing about here somewhere. We'll see what that sounds like. Yep, that's great. Alright, so that's going to play the whole time. Now we will start adding some more videos here. Let's go. This one is Cloud 9. So this is a nice little spot. We have to crop this as well. That's a nice little spot to go and hang out at the end of the day. They serve pizzas and stuff there. Crop that. Crop to fill and turn off that background noise as well. So that's great. Alright, and then we're going to add, that's the pizzas they cook there. I have to crop that as well. So, crop and turn off the background noise. That's it. Alright, and then what else we got here? There's some dolphins. These dolphins usually follow us on the way back. They swim around in the channel, so every time you go through the channel they usually come and say g'day, which is awesome. I'm going to have to crop that and turn the background noise off as well. And we'll see if we got one more. Add that there. And crop to fill. Background noise off. So I might just add one more video. Maybe this one here. And we're going to have to crop that one out as well. Crop it, turn off the background noise. And then I think we'll just add a title to wrap it up at the end. We'll put that down here. And we'll say thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. The end. Thanks. Thanks for watching. The end. All right. Now we're going to go back to the start. And we'll watch the video right from the start. And you'll see how easy that was to put a video together. I'll press play and then I'll put it onto the main screen and we'll watch it play through. So play, main screen. all done.